KLM 721, roger. Pushback down and start up to approved. Runway 07, report ready to taxi.
Push start approved, runway 07, Delta.
KLM 721, heading by 6.
KLM 721, heavy, roger. Taxi to holding point, runway 07, passing Juliet 186. Have a good one.
Passing Juliet 186 and taxiing holding point, runway 07, KLM 671.
Correct.
KLM 261, heavy, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, KLM 721.
KLM 721 heavy, wind 110 degrees, 20 knots, gas stands 30, runway 07.